The Reeman factory's delivery robots are performing point-to-point cargo transportation in the shoe factory, 600 kilograms of loading capacity, lifting height 10 cm, autonomous navigation and obstacle avoidance using LiDAR. It also supports delivery between floors via elevator. The production line moves smoothly between the production area and the warehouse. The factory's delivery robot arrives at the designated workstation, achieving precise positioning and docking, ensuring stable cargo connections. The system confirms that the task has been completed. The robot then automatically returns to the standby area or receives the next task to continue working. One factory's delivery robot is equivalent to 3 warehouse workers, easily make hundreds of trips every day.